Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with verified prerequisites. Know the log profile and have a color reference clip per role. Open Premiere and import only the log clips into a single bin so you stay organized. Once imported, create a sequence matching your desired output settings, then right-click a clip and choose Modify Interpret Footage if you need to force color space. This gets you straight into grading-ready material without wasting time on irrelevant setup steps. You now perform the core transform. Drag Lumetri color onto the clip and start with basic correction. Set white balance and dial exposure and contrast so skin and highlights read correctly. Once balanced, make targeted adjustments using curves and HSL secondary to recover midtones and control saturation. This preserves log latitude. Make small, iterative tweaks. Zoom into scopes to watch waveform and vector scope. Once you have a neutral base, save a preset. You finish by stabilizing and stylizing. Add an adjustment layer, apply your creative LUT or custom Lumetri preset, and tweak gain and color wheels for the final look. Make sure to render previews to check temporal consistency. Once done, export using a higher bit depth or 4:2 to preserve grading headroom. If you see banding or posterization, reduce aggressive contrast, add subtle grain, or export at 10-bit. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most log-to-delivery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.